Good morning, student. Today our topic is auditory learning. We know auditory. Here the ear, the complete ear having a use for the hearing. This is also known as audition. This means auditory. We know learning. So the process, different procedure and process in which the auditory learning is to be insisted. এইটো ক্লাসটো আমাৰ কি হৈ আছে ৰিপিটেড ক্লাস হৈ আছে আমাৰ ফ্যাকাল্টি অলৰেডি পঢ়াই দিছে গেষ্ট ফ্যাকাল্টি ৰেগুলাৰ ফ্যাকাল্টি সো আমি জাস্ট এটা ৰিভিজন লম auditory learning is a procedure of stimulating the auditory system তাৰমানে গোটেইখিনি auditory systemক আমি stimulate কৰা হয় for auditory training কিহৰ কাৰণে auditory training দিবৰ কাৰণে towards auditory learning for independent livelihood, which means that first the random sound is to be generated and that sound is to be interpreted and understood in a form of the learning. First is early screening, early identification within the 6 months of the onset of the problem. Then residual hearing followed by early diagnosis, selection of the best amplification devices. Then intensive and systematic training as a auditory training is to be required. Now, what is the importance of the auditory learning? Number 1, better understanding of speech and language. Number 2, faster development of language in any language. Number 3, more normal development of speech, better voice quality, articulation and rhythm, better performance in schools, better social and emotional adjustment. These are the important for the either for the person having a normal hearing or the person having a hearing impairment. Here the stimuli, there are different sounds is to be collected which stimulate the auditory system. Response is to be evaluated. Detection of the stimulus is to be evaluated. Discrimination of the one sound and another sound is to be taught. Identification followed by comprehension towards the auditory learning. These are the process. Then what are the material used for the auditory learning? As manual published by the All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, there are specific manuals which include the sound. There are different degree of the sound, high frequency, medium frequency and low frequency sound. Clock, ghori, pictures, toy, vowels and consonants, flashcard of the different teaching material as a teaching learning aid, different materials for speech and language stimulation. These all materials are used for stimulating the auditory system for the auditory learning. Now, assessment of auditory performance. So how we understood the child having learned or how much they perceive or how much they understood. Number 1, periodical assessment once in 6 months. আমি 6 মাহৰ ভিতৰত at least একবাৰ assessment কৰি চাব লাগিব কিমান ল'ৰা ছোৱালী আমাৰ শিকিছে. Number 2, assessment with hearing aids. আৰু hearing aid লগোৱা পিছতো কিমানখিনি শিকিছে নে নাই শিকা. What are the different factors which affect the listening training? This is the independence, inappropriate training, reinforcement, feedback, auditory distortion material, visual distortion material, olfactory environment condition. These are the factors which stimulate. Like I am just explaining, revising the total content of the auditory learning. In the meantime, if some pickles smells which might interferes in my tongue, yes, I have to take the pickles which distract our attention. Auditory stimuli, finally, What are the things which stimulate the ears and finally the auditory nerve? Games, musical chairs, dance, animal cry, listen and draw, storytelling, memory, pick and odd, rhyming words, role playing, cooking time. These are the different stimuli used. Finally, my dear student, the complete ear, normal healthy ear or the ear having a hearing problem with solution of the hearing aid is to be very much important. Then auditory stimulation, they are the stimulating, what are the things which create a stimulation in the auditory system? Identification, detection, then again specific identification, comprehension, auditory memory and towards the rehabilitation. We know auditory learning is required for the normal children and the children having a hearing impairment, which plays a major role apart from the visual learning. Thank you very much.